Hello! Hello, guys! It's the Firebirds. And I am playing Saints Row again. And, I didn't save. Oh, you know what? That looks more fast. Kill him! Ah, dang it. That was just oh, this looks fast. This looks fast. Give me that car. Yes. Give me that car. I need this car. Let's go on a mission. La la la. Okay, and we are playing Saints Row. Popular game. Popular. It's not popular. I killed people. Again. For two, and that crashed. Okay, and yes, I have been playing games. Yes, I play games. I play GTA. As you guys know, I play GTA 5, Mortal Kombat XL, and Crash Bandicoot 2017. Oh! What the heck? Hey! Come look at this!
Yes.
Look. That just went down. I tried to make it in. I thought I was going to make it, but no. Oh, wow. Well, time to get rid of it. Time to get rid of the evidence. Yeah, I can destroy it. I can destroy it. Oh, what?
Really weird.
Okay.
Huh.
Seriously? It's unstoppable.
This is what I do best.
I hate it when it gets glitchy. Maybe. Oh, finally. Now I have to find a car.
Down.
Lamborghini. Wait, this was here before. Look how messed up it was. I saw this Lamborghini.
Let me see this. I can run away from that group. From the actual.
What the heck? The car got fixed up. Amazing.
There's a low rider right there. You want that instead?
Sure.
No. Already want this.
I like that low rider, please. Before it gets away, please. I like the low rider, and it's gone now.
Where's the shotgun?
Yeah, no, just drive up to that.
So no Lambo.
No Lambo. I can find one of those all the time. I like the Phoenix's car. Oh yeah, thanks for the ride. It's been 2 hours since I found a car.
Wrong one.
Yes.
Oh, wrong one.
It even has a big sign right at it.
There we go. Alright, down to the customization.
I'm going to need to use the bathroom.
Try to make this car look nice. Oh snap, I don't know if he wants to do this. I'll do that later for him. We have no lights. We have no police. No police. That. Okay, we'll do that later. But for now, on to the fun part. Now, I am assuming that this person called the Phoenix Firebird, whatever, he likes red. So, 6. There we go. Very nice. Trim, we're going to make this thing beautiful. Yep. We're going to make this thing beautiful. Chrome. Give it a dark atmosphere. And we're gonna make this thing. Likes it. Likes it a lot. I don't know about what he thinks though. So, we'll just pick these for now. Just in case. Underglow. We're gonna turn on Underglow because this is a very nice car. Put it like that. Like that. Like that. Like that. And we'll put that there. Hell yeah. It's gonna be a nice looking car, this. That's great. Alrighty then, we got ourselves a very nice car. It looks like Santa Claus's car, but we got a good car. Look at the colour and the shine and the nice texture. It looks white on the inside. I don't know if he likes it like that. I don't even know if he likes red. But you know, fuck a doodle doo. See what else we got. Oh. I saw that already. Ooh. Oh, that looks pretty cool. What's this? Ooh. Looks like the car that we just fixed. Nice. Freaking monster truck. Oh, nice. I like this. I like it. Oh. Hello. Ooh. I like these cars. Oh, nice. He already has a thingy. Oh, you best believe we're making this thing too. Oops. We'll do that right quick. Nah, I don't know about your people watching this video, but I think we're gonna make this thing a nice looking car. Look at that. This riffs this. Sure, I'll go with this one. I like it. Okay.
Okay, hello.
Oh, hello. So I found this thing in your garages.
My garage.
In your garage.
Is it a Lambo? It's a Lambo.
It's the Lambo.
Oh my gosh, it's a Lambo.
I'll put that on there.
Okay. Well, is this the dragon car?
No.
Oh, okay.
Just the car. Hold on. That. If this thing will stop glitching in it. Stop glitching in.
Ah, that's annoying.
Okay. Okay, you see that orange on the dragon? We gotta look for orange.
There's an orange right there.
There we go. We got the orange.
That's a gold right there.
That's orange.
Why does it look pink when you go on the special one? Yeah.
In the hearse and then it didn't. I forgot what it said.
Okay.
What is it? It is. Ooh, there we go. Yes, I like it very much.
Yeah. Let's go on.
Okay.
Go on.
We got drum shed. Wait. Yeah, there we go. Trim cutout. Share. Pick that. Okay, we got the interior color. We shall pick this one. Not this one. Yes. Pretty much.
Mostly the whole thing is orange red.
Pretty much. Yes.
Yeah, make the tires red.
Pick that one.
What the heck?
Let's see, yeah. Can't find anything good. I guess this will have to do.
Yes, the bike wheels.
Yes.
Yeah, good car, good car, good car.
Go car, go car, go car. Very nice, very nice, very nice.
Very, very nice.
Nice. Okay, so we got this one. I don't know if you like it like that.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, very good. Okay,
Yeah,
that's very
very
good then. Okay, cool. We're good. And then we got this one.
Yeah,
Very nice.
very nice.
Very nice.
Very.
Let's check this one out.
Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah. Very, very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Just. Ah, that car messed you up.
Oh no!
There he is. He's trying to run away. There. Nothing to see here. Totally not. No one getting murdered over here. It's just a guy Tokyo drifting.
Tokyo Drift.
Oh!
Game logic. 1 out of 10.
Oh! Without getting hit, that's what I was gonna say. Oh, without getting hit. Without getting hit this
Yikes.
time. Hey, she still survived. Oh, nothing happened. Ah! Oh, you almost got in the ocean.
I'm all done. But, okay.
Okay, no, that was weird.
That was weird.
I am konnichiwa.
Oosh. Oh no.
Like, you were driving really fast and it just was like a little tap.
I'm sorry.
Making our country proud.
Yeah,
America.
America! Welcome to America! Today we're going to be learning about America!
Still someone else.
Guys,
Oh, we got the Phoenix!
this is gonna be the car. Gentlemen and ladies.
Gentlemen and lady?
Ladies and gentlemen.
Yes, this is going to be the main car. What?
This is gonna be the trademark car of this video. Looks nice.
What's this trademark mean? I do not know what that means.
Oh my lord. Wow.
I am a 10-year-old boy, man. I never learned that word.
You're 10 years old, you should be knowing like way more than what you know now. Sir. Okay, what are your colors of the Firebird?
Fire colors. Yellow, orange, and red. Main car. Since it got the Phoenix on it, yeah. Oh. Ew. They're gonna hate us.
Nah. Okay, we're good. Yes. Hoods. The mix of the hoods is like turbos in there. I don't know. Between these two.
I say the last. Fourth.
Fourth one?
Yeah.
Okay. Mirror says. Now.
It doesn't really matter.
There's more in the arch.
Hmm.
Oh.
Hmm.
We got a trim and we got a thing over there. Which you will end.
You can pick.
No, you pick. This is your part. This is gonna be for the video.
Oh, okay.
Come on.
I choose the second one.
The second one, okay. Moving on!
What the heck?
Nah. It's got a lower thing.
Yeah.
So this one.
Yeah.
Spoilers.
Okay. Let's just leave it.
I don't like that one.
Oh, okay.
I like that one or that one.
Okay. Wait, you only like number 1 and 2?
Number 1 and none.
Oh. Okay. Let's do number 1 then. Yeah, no more.
Rebumpus. We'll keep that one.
Yeah. Let's. What the?
Oh, it's exhausted. That one.
Oh.
That one. No, we're good with this one. No,
Yeah.
wait, this one, yeah.
Yeah.
Decaf.
This all says Phoenix.
Yes. We'll have it the red.
Yeah. Red,
Wait. Is there a better red? No.
It looks more like an orange for some reason. Red.
No, wait. That one.
It's okay. That one.
Alright, nice.
Oh, okay. So now we have to do is the color. And then the wheels. And then that's good.
We'll paint it black. Oops.
I don't want any numbers. I want to turn black.
There we go. It looks nice.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll have it
Oh.
it looks better.
I do not know.
Say this one.
But honestly, I thought we were going to do everything like fire colors. Oh, that looks cool.
Dad's car is gonna be so freaking hot when it's all done and ready.
Uh-huh.
Like when he takes us to purchase, it's gonna be so
Yeah.
freaking hot. His car is black.
Yeah.
No, pick it up.
Yeah, we have to make it yellow now and
I want a
Okay,
red
yellow.
cat.
yeah, I need orange and yellow. I need orange and red now. Yeah, orange and red. Yeah, because freaking there's orange in fire. Fireman.
Do you want to keep that red or do you want that orange?
Let's do the orange.
Just made your beat.
What? What did you say?
Furious orange.
Yeah,
They're dead.
they're dead. What?
I did not show him like that.
Oh no.
Let's just make that red. Okay.
Yeah, this is really red.
What about your headphones? Are those dead?
This. There we go. It looks nice.
Yeah, looks good.
We shall make the rest of this tire red.
Yeah.
Orange.
Yeah.
Nah. Red.
Yeah, let's do red.
Yellow metal. Brass. Gold. Nah, gold doesn't look good.
It doesn't even look
Orange metal. That looks too.
red, like a too light red.
Looks too much yellow.
Oh.
I guess we'll just keep this that. Yes.
Yeah, but we could. You know what? Never mind.
What?
Never mind.
What?
I was gonna say we could put it as red, but never mind.
Nah, it looks better.
Yeah, like I said, never mind.
Enter. Oh wait, I went down.
La 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 la.
Furious orange.
Oh, that's inside. Oh no, that's not.
Why is it? Okay, tangerine. We'll make it blue.
Make it blue,
Make
okay.
it pink.
Make it pink.
Reference says.
Oh, okay. No.
We'll have this one.
This one.
No, this one. No, this one. I don't know. This one? I
This
don't know.
one, this one, this one, this
Which one do you think?
I say, that. Wait, there, put it. Take it
Or
off
that
the
one?
blanket. I mean, the covers.
That one.
That one?
That one. Got the red line right there. Let's see.
This is.
It's good. It's good.
Go. Ew. That one?
No.
Okay then.
No.
You said yes. You said
No,
yes
I
a
just
minute
said
ago.
no.
Oh, what then?
I thought it was gonna look good, but no, it didn't. I say black one.
That one? Okay.
Okay. Good.
I got an idea.
What?
Boom.
Immersion.
Yes. Definitely. Yes! This will be the Firebird meal.
Yes.
Mobile.
The Batbird mobile.
Batbird.
Yes, the Batbird mobile. Batbird.
Alright everybody, that is all we will do for today.
They did
Tune
it.
in next time for the next video. Doses.
Goodbye.